Hello and welcome to my Stationery Prompts Empire review. I specifically said hello and welcome because that's what Alessandro Zamboni always says in his emails, like, affiliate emails and really in his training courses. Hello and welcome. Well, so yeah, hello and welcome. That's my Stationery Prompts Empire review, the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni and Paolo Grow. Grow or grow, whichever is the correct way to pronounce it. Anyhow, this product goes live tomorrow, guys. It's going live, okay, in just over 19 hours from the moment I am shooting this review. So tomorrow is going to be 16th of January, all day, right? And it goes live at 10 a.m. New York time, EST's New York time. And yeah, so here we go. This is the members area. I'll show you around, guys. Here we have the sales page, and you will attach you will not attach. I will attach the link to the sales page below my review. I'll put it down in the description box. Go check it out, okay? There's a lot of good information on about this product on the sales page. Alessandro shows you the kind of products you will be able to create with these prompts. Okay, on the sales page very nicely, clearly, transparently, so we know what we are getting ourselves into, right? That's what I like. And as they say, transparency is the mother of transformation, and Alessandro Zamboni has made quite a transformation in his life. This guy is really on fire, despite having had so many health difficulties, challenges. As he says it here, he's still fighting, still recovering, still helping people to get great results in their lives with online marketing. So yeah, he wasn't able to work like a regular 9-to-5 job at the time, after his quite a few, apparently, surgeries. So, but yeah, he's someone to really empire. He has created his empire. Someone to really admire. That's what I meant. Inspiring person for sure. Go, guys, check out the sales page. I'm going to show you inside of the members area in a second. And now we also have, I also jotted down here what kind of upsells you can expect. I'm going to show them to you at the beginning, and also for those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review, okay, you will get some bonuses. You will get some bonuses. Yes, that's what I meant. I am not feeling 100%, so excuse moi if my tongue is getting twisted. Well, it is what it is, but I'm still alive and kicking. Hey ho, and let's drink some water. Because we are water. But these bonuses will complement this product like there is no tomorrow. I mean, I've obviously checked out what you're getting here. I asked Alessandro to give me the review access, so I was able to see what kind of prompts you're getting here. So to create stationery, which you can sell, for example, on Etsy. And interestingly, Alessandro listed here quite a few ways to monetize these stationeries, right? So you can sell them on Etsy, you can create customized books, use them to create customized books, sell them on Amazon Handmade, sell them on craft fairs, sell them on eBay, create a monthly subscribers box with those as well, sell them on your website, or you can keep them for yourself, right? And these stationeries sort of are coming back to town, so to speak. What I mean by that, people appreciate this, such beautifully crafted, I mean, you can put some kind of birthday wishes, notes, just send them to your nearest and dearest, or to the loved ones, right? It's very, I would say, heartwarming. It's very human to do so. So people, I guess after having had too much of AI and all electronic, all digital, we we crave the real physical touch, like a physical book. I don't like personally reading books on what you call it, Kindle, whatever you call it. I mean, I know what you call it, but in a digital form or even in a form of ebooks. I like a physical book. I like to hold it in my hand, It's a totally different experience. So these stationeries apparently sell on Etsy like hot cross buns these days. And take it from Alessandro, he knows what he's talking about when it comes to Etsy. He's really like an expert when it comes to Etsy. So my point was that I did pick bonuses which will complement this product, because I'm going to give you access to the whole PLR on top of that video training course on how to sell your creations on Etsy. I mean, it's a full-blown training course, okay? Okay, guys? So not going to open it up because there's too much to show, but you will have everything from the start, from setting up your Etsy store to the checkout, okay? And to just charging for your products, for whatever you sell, being able to charge, connecting your Stripe, connecting your PayPal, however you will choose to charge. And then another, again, PLR training course I give is on how to produce amazing AI images with Midjourney. Now, bear in mind that, with this product you will get 696 exclusive Midjourney prompts to create stunning artistic stationery. But you can use these prompts with also Leonardo.ai, which is free to use. You will be only limited by the number of credits. I believe is 150 credits a day, which is enough to create quite a few super quality pictures or images, right? Art. Obviously, Midjourney is one of the best out there AI image generator. However, Leonardo.ai, does not fall short compared to Midjourney. It's also a supreme quality image generator, AI image generator. But yeah, you can use those prompts with both. So inside of the members area, guys, you will have a video, okay, on how to use those prompts using Midjourney. And going back to my point, I did, give you this training course on how to create images with Midjourney, in-depth training course, just in case you're not familiar with using Midjourney. Okay, so you will be well off with this training course and well clued up on how to use Midjourney. So this is around 18 minutes tutorial here. Alessandro will talk about how to use those prompts to create images and also how to upscale them. And he's going to recommend one upscaler in particular, which he has recently discovered, and it does magic. The way it upscales images is just insane, okay? Now, let me just show you the kind of prompts, how the prompts will be delivered. Obviously, I'm not going to expose too much information here. I'll probably blur it because it's not fair to really show the prompts. So yes, there you go. You will have the categories here, like classic elegance here. You see one of the categories, white flower something, modern minimalism, and winter wonderland, and so on and so forth, right? Now, I should have mentioned right at the beginning that you will also get amazing 398 bonus ChatGPT prompts to help you sell these images, okay, these stationeries. So, as you can see, the kind of prompt that you would give to, sorry about the noise. Yeah, anyhow, the kind of prompts you will give to ChatGPT, the category, description, and all of that. Wow, I really hate motorbikes. The noise they make, it just does my head in. So, and as a bonus also you will get to join the free Zamboni inner circle. That's most likely on Facebook, if I well remember. He shares some like really good information there as well, and there's a chance for you to ask questions and yeah, that's it. So the prices, okay, the front end will be $17, and the rest of the funnel I'll show you right here. OTO number 1, 27, is a collection of 1,618 prompts for creating more flower stationery in even more categories. OTO number 2, 37, a collection of 4,336 vintage junk journal page prompts. Interesting. OTO number 3, 27, yeah, this is 27, Sylvia. A collection of 1,608 mid-journey prompts to create notebook pages. And last but not least, as they say, OTO number 4, 37, a collection of 2,000, this is 2,000 here, 643 mid-journey prompts to create vintage products labels. As you can see, you know, these upsells go hand in hand with the front end. So yes, pick what you like, leave what you don't really need, and remember, my splendid bonuses will be yours if you decide to pick up this product via the link below my review. Go check out the information on the sales page. There's a lot of good information about this product. You know, everything is shown to you clearly, what you can expect. There's ideas on how to monetize it, you know, and all of the bonuses you'll get and all of that. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Probably tomorrow I'll be shooting a review about Ben Fletcher's launch, which is quite exciting too. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, ciao, bye.